Hi guys, it's Gap here, and today I wanted to talk to you about letting go of stress and being on top of the hill. So I'll just show you where I am first of all. Yeah, so I've been struggling with stress. Just find myself overthinking what I'm doing. I'm actually looking at flats at the moment, and it's find it quite stressful to make the right decisions and act with clarity and know what the right thing is to do. All these thoughts are just going through my head, and I come up here, and one of the things is the movement. It's just really relaxing, the physical movement of it, walking up into pushing up onto the hill. And the other thing is the kind of quality of peace that's up here. In some ways, that's not helpful because it kind of emphasizes the stress more. It kind of shows it up. But the thing that I do find helpful is gratitude, attitude of gratitude. That is profoundly effective, and just being thankful. So that's one thing that's definitely helpful, this attitude of gratitude. I'll just show you the scene again because it's changing a bit. Yeah, attitude of gratitude really does help. Just allows you to let go of stuff. The other thing I've been using is this amazing verse, actually, from Steiner. It's about the will. It goes like this: the quiet I bear within me, I bear within myself, forces to make me strong. Now will I be imbued with a glowing warmth. Now will I fill myself with my own will's resolve, and feel the quiet pouring through all my being, when by my steadfast striving I become strong, and feel the source of strength, the strength of inner quiet. That's brilliant because it just kind of resonates with the reflection that was showing up the stress beforehand. Yeah, I'll leave a link in the description if you want a copy of the verse. It's a fantastic verse. I'll say it one more time because I just love it. It's brilliant. And it's really effective because it's a kind of has this real kind of powerful meditative quality, and it relates to the deed as well. Because quite often the unpeace is related to thinking about doing, not actually doing. So there's so many different levels to it when you start to meditate on it. The quiet I bear within me, forces to make me strong. Now will I be imbued with a glowing warmth. Now will I fill myself with my own will's resolve, and feel the quiet pouring through all my being, when by my steadfast striving I become strong and feel the source of strength, the strength of inner quiet. That's it right there, isn't it? I'll just show you the scene again because it's changing all the time. I think the swans are down in that part of the... See them down there. The loch today. Misty dawn. Right, I'll just leave it there. Remember to like and subscribe, it's really helpful. And yeah, I'll look forward to meeting you in person sometime. I'll also leave a link if you want to meet me in person and have a chat over a coffee about how we can help you to move forward in your life and deal with any resistances through working with the purity of the natural environment. So yeah, remember to share as well, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.